Hello ka.
Hi.
Open it.
Dental floss, pink strawberry flavor.
Silip ka.
Cassie. Strawberry flavor. That's you.
Cassie.
I'm gonna open it.
Sabi na kayo. Masama siya eh. Wait.
Daddy, open your floss now. Open your floss. No, you're gonna pull it out.
Titingnan ko lang.
Ow!
Sakit pa rin? Sige, isa pa. Look at that. That.
Then,
Push. I'm gonna push lang.
Alay.
Tingin, ika nga. Okay, one more.
Last one.
Last one.
Ouch.
You try it.
Okay, wait.
Di pa. Okay.
It's like a mirror.
Nice kasi yung light. Okay, may light man ba tayo sa ganyan?